Welcome back to my channel for part 2 of the 1971 Chevy Monte Carlo Vent hoses replacement. Right here you can see a typical place where you can find a build sheet. If you don't find it inside the car, this is another spot.
Alright, here I am under again. Alright, so these are the fuel vent lines. This one goes out. The second in the middle, second from the driver's side. So no clamps on all of them. The last one goes over to the front somewhere, maybe the front of the engine. The front one here goes over here, the vent line at the corner. And then this middle one, it's a vent line in the middle, the biggest one. And then these two, they come to the gas tank, so you go to the front where the fuel pump is. One vents inside, like a return line almost, and the other one is the main fuel line. These two. So I have to replace these guys right there, no clamps. So I have to see what size hose I can use right there. Might be the same one as this end. The skinnier ones are the same size here, so they might be the same size on that end. And this is another one, a bigger one in the middle. Alright, time to take them off. I'm undoing the clamps on here. It's a half I'm using. Alright, well, here are those vent attachments, those hoses right there. So looks like I could use the 3/8 right here in the middle, and then the other two on the side of that one. I could use that 5/16. There we go. We'll use this guy, and we'll use some 5/16 on the side here. This one though, let me check it out. This looks like this is the one that was broken, and it looks like it goes all the way to the front of the vehicle. I'm not too sure. Probably to the charcoal canister, maybe it went there. But this looks like I don't know. Is it the same size? It looks like it might be the same size. This hole's wider than this one, so yeah, it's definitely the same size. So there we are. So all lines are 5/16, 5/16, and then 5/16 at the end. So these are the ends of the gas tank, and this one possibly charcoal canister, and then the middle one is 3/8. The vent line in the middle. There it is. So these had to come down in the meantime. Was that the 5/16 at the end, the 3/8 in the middle, and the 5/16 at the other end. So I'll attach these and just leave them up there ready. Brand new. hoses are on. You just have to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle until they slide into each side. I did this end first on this side, and then I want to go ahead and slid it in on that side. Just wet it a little saliva inside the sleeves before putting it on each side. That's the trick. And I almost forgot, they didn't come with clamps, and so I'm gonna go ahead and put them back without clamps. Hopefully they stay good for a long time.
I don't show footage of the tank being installed, but the ends for the vented hoses will be 5/16 on the tank side, 3/8 in the middle. Please subscribe and hit a like. Thank you for watching.